This is called Burj Khalifa. It's the biggest tower. It has a fast.
This is my iPad. I like to play games and watch YouTube. I share it with my little sister.
It's special to me because I play games. My favorite blanket, and it has my name, and it makes me feel warm.
Every day inside money, and what's full? Me and my dad and mom.
I think she's special because she has nice hair.
My name is Mommy. Father is Quick.
Dog Simba. My parents brought him at my 5th birthday. I love him very much. We play together. Good morning, everyone. Today I want to show you Leonardo the lion. I love it so much. Also, when I go hiking and go on a trip, I can play games and take photos.
You can find it in ABC once the corona is over. And once we take the vaccine, you can go. Call us, you can go. Bye.
These are the alphabets, and these are the pictures, the alphabets. And this is my gift from my mom.
He read my daddy the story I shared with my sister.
That's my cousin. I love sharing with my little brother. And this is so fast and so strong.
Friends, the moves using the remote control. This car is special to me because it's like my mom's car.
This is a car. I like to share it with my brother.
Hi everyone, I am the Minion Guy. I wanted to share with you 2 special things remind me about when I was a baby.
I use it at home and on my grandma. Play with this doll on my cousin. It can open, and this is the Hachiman. And this little thing can clip in my hair. I play with him. I spend time with him.
I sleep with her and I play with her sometimes. My little sister play with me and my toy Sunny. I eat with play and I sleep with hug her
Because it's so beautiful.
My mommy got it for me. My favorite toy, and it's so sparkly and colorful.
This is my friend. When I am going out, I take it with me.
She's really special because she has a pink dress and a pink shoes. This is the house where my doll lives.
This is the bedroom.
This is the living room. First, this is Baby Wow Blue, and he's so cute. And his name is Stella.
His name is Coco.
I love it so much. We play with it all the days.
And I make her food and I feed her.
And I do play with it every day. To share it with Eva. This is my football. My dad got it. And I love to play with it with my friend in the playground.
We can play with it in free times. I like piano. I practice every day. I want to be a pianist like my dad. And this is called the xylophone. I like to share it with my brother. I like to play music. We going to do it.
Press this button and put it on your kid like this.
This is my guitar.
My dad broke it for me.
I use it inside the house.
I like to play with my brother.
جينا نعيدكم للعيد نسألكم.
This is my kitchen.
My parents bought it for me, and I like to play with it with my brother.
That's how you make a lazy cake. Now you put chocolate too.
Oh, but it's hard. You have to do it so well.
Okay? Bye.
I'm gonna make you a burger first of all. You put the meat on the grill. I play it every day, and it helps me learn to cook. I'm wearing Captain America costume. My mom brought it for me. My special mask, Bumblebee. It makes sounds.
It is full of balloon up in the air with you because it's long and I love